don't be like me, always get a sample. Can packaging that I ordered from Alibaba.com be classified as premium? I mean, let's be real. Packaging affects brand perception. And to be quite honest, I'm actually downgrading. I used to have these beautiful, luxurious boxes that I used to actually customize myself. And this time I am going for a poly mailer bag, which is coming customized, mind you. We're gonna be unboxing them together in this video. I'm quite excited because I've literally been looking at this box for a while, thinking of a time that I'm going to be able to sit down and unbox it together with you guys. And the best part is, if I like my packaging, I will share the vendor. So make sure you watch this video to the end. And for those of you that don't know me, my name is Tadii G, and on this channel I like to share all things business, as well as taking you on the journey of me building my clothing brand. Well, I'm actually relaunching it, which is quite excited, and that's what these bags are for. Let's get unboxing. Now, when it came to me getting these bags, there was a little bit of miscommunication between me and this supplier. I'll get into it after I manage to get this box open. Not me fighting with this box. Starting with the mailer bag, so the poly mailer, I went for navy blue. Those are my brand colors, with my logo printed in orange. I must say, I was just double checking if that logo is centered, and it is. I'm happy, guys. I mean, how wrong can you go with a poly mailer with a very simple logo like this? I do really like the shade of navy blue that they've used. It closely matches my hex code, so I'm quite happy with that. The chevauchement is a little bit dull, but it's fine. If I wanted to nitpick, it's fine. The thickness of the actual poly mailer itself is quite good. It could be thicker. I have seen thicker, but to be fair, I was going with a stock poly mailer bag, so it's not custom. The only thing custom about it is my logo being printed on there. Then of course, it's got the self-adhering thing at the back where I'll just need to like peel this off and seal this when sending orders to my customers. Guys, unboxing this is like we're getting closer and closer to the launch. I feel like things were a little bit like quiet in terms of like work and stuff, but this unboxing this package has brought a little spring in my step. This I am so excited for. Look at this. Oh, can you even see that properly? So my garments will go in this little zip bag before they get sent out to customers, and as you can see, that says chevauchement in white, and it's on the back as well. And then just on the bottom there, oh my gosh, can you see that? It says chevauchement.com. Now, I was panicking a little bit because at one point I had lost my domain name and I'd already sent this order off, but I managed to get my domain name back. So that is going to be the correct web address to go to. I am really, really, really happy with my packaging. So this will go inside this. So obviously this one is a little bit smaller. Yeah, that looks good. I am really, really happy. Let's dive into a little bit of housekeeping. Should we call it that? The semantics. Right, so, oh, and by the way, I like them, so I'm gonna share the vendor right up here. Let's get into shipping. I know you guys are gonna want to hear this. I know a lot of you are like, shipping times with Alibaba.com. I'm gonna tell you. I ordered these bags on the 19th of March 2026. They were dispatched on the 7th of April 2026, and I received them on the 22nd of April 2026. Now I know we are towards the end of May and I'm only just unboxing them now, but I've been busy. Your girl's been busy. I would say that's a quick turnaround time. That is just over a month and some change. So if you were to order from this company, I would give yourself 5 weeks to get your order. Let's talk money. We're transparent on this channel, guys. The miscommunication, first of all, was I paid for samples. To them, they said that a sample is them printing the bag and showing me a video. Whereas I thought a sample would be them printing the bag and sending it to me so I can see it. So I actually took a chance in a sense that I actually didn't see a physical sample before actually getting it. This is my first time seeing it. I only saw pictures and videos of both bags. So yeah, there's a bit of miscommunication on that side of things, which meant that they gave me 20 extra bags for free, which means that I have 110 of these and 110 of these. That came to $108 for the unit, plus an additional $52 for shipping. Shipping is diabolical. diabolical. How can shipping be half the cost of what I'm getting shipped? That is mad. These bags are 100% recyclable. I feel like this might be a little too big for just one t-shirt, but I didn't want to order lots of different sized poly mailers. So I wanted a poly mailer that was gonna fit t-shirts, multiple t-shirts, hoodies, etc, etc. Even though I'm only launching with t-shirts first, I think in here can fit really comfortably, really well folded 2 t-shirts. I already have my thank you cards. I'll do a separate video on those, and I also have the neck labels. I will do a video on those with the thank you cards. I just don't have them on my person right now. But yeah, I'm really happy. We are, I don't know how many days out from launch, but we are getting closer and closer. So make sure you're subscribed so you can follow the journey. But yeah, supplier, I'll have them on the screen. But yeah, thank you guys so much for clicking to watch my video, and I will catch you in my very next video. Bye. I was about to go, but I thought this would be an opportunity for me to just chuck in a couple of tips. Guys, don't be like me. Always get a sample. I'm lucky that this came good, but always get and receive and see a sample. Secondly, after you receive your order, make sure you spend time actually going through each and every, in my case, poly mailer, to make sure that you haven't got anything defective, and to also make sure they've actually sent you the amount that you requested. I just thought I'll just come on here and just drop that little gem. Bye again.